Alright, so foldable phones have always felt like a glimpse into the future, but never quite perfect, right? But what if I told you there's a device that is pushing things closer than ever before? This is the Honor Magic V6. And honestly, this thing is, while we were talking about a foldable that is insanely thin, ridiculously powerful, and somehow packed with features that feel like they belong in a full-size flagship, not a foldable compromise. And today, I'm going to break it all down like a real hands on review, so you know exactly if this is worth your attention. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like, because it really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing you these detailed tech reviews. So first thing you notice when you pick up the Magic V6 is the design, and I am not exaggerating when I say this feels futuristic in your hand. When unfolded, it is just around 4 millimeters thin, which is crazy thin for a foldable, and even when folded, it still feels like a normal smartphone instead of a brick. And the weight is also surprisingly balanced, coming in just over 200 grams, so it does not feel heavy at all. And the hinge, this is where things get interesting, because Honor has clearly put in serious engineering here. It feels sturdy, smooth, and premium, with almost no flex, and yes, it even supports stylus on both displays, which is something creators are going to love. Now let us talk about the displays, because this is where this phone really shines. You're getting a massive 7.95-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED panel on the inside with 1 billion colors and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and brightness goes up to 5,000 nits, which is insane for outdoor visibility. And the cover display is also no joke. It is a 6.52-inch OLED panel with even higher peak brightness at 6,000 nits, so whether you're using it folded or unfolded, the experience is top tier, and the anti-reflective coating actually helps a lot in real-world usage, making everything look clearer, even under harsh light. Performance is another area where this phone absolutely delivers, because it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. And this thing is a beast. We're talking flagship level performance that can handle anything you throw at it, from heavy gaming to multitasking across multiple apps on that big screen. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, everything feels insanely fast, smooth, and responsive. This is the kind of phone where you never really worry about lag or slowdowns. It just keeps up with you no matter what. And real quick, if you're enjoying this kind of deep dive review and want more content like this, make sure you subscribe and like the video, because it tells me you want more of this, and I will keep delivering. Now moving on to the cameras, and this setup is actually impressive. For a foldable, you're getting a 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. And in real world use, this setup delivers sharp, detailed photos with good dynamic range. And the zoom performance is solid, especially for a foldable, which usually struggles in this department. Video goes up to 4K 60 frames per second with 10-bit color. So you're getting really nice quality footage. And the selfie cameras, both inside and on the cover, are 20 megapixels, which means you are covered no matter how you use the device. Battery life is another area where this phone surprises you, because it packs a massive 6,660 milliamp battery globally, and even higher in some variants, which is honestly huge for a foldable. And this translates into excellent battery life, easily lasting a full day of heavy usage. And then you have 80-watt wired charging, 66-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging, so you can power up other devices. This is basically everything you would expect from a top-tier flagship, and more. Software is running on Android 16 with Magic OS 10, and the big highlight here is the promise of up to 7 major Android updates, which is massive and something that puts this phone right up there with the best in terms of long-term support. The software is also optimized for the foldable experience, so multitasking feels natural and actually useful rather than gimmicky. Now, of course, no device is perfect, and while the Magic V6 is pushing boundaries, there are still a few things to consider. Foldables are still expensive, and durability over long-term use is always something people think about. But with IP68 and IP69 ratings and improved hinge durability, Honor is clearly trying to address those concerns in a big way. So overall, the Honor Magic V6 feels like one of the most complete foldables we have seen so far. It is thin, powerful, packed with features, and actually practical for daily use, which is something not all foldables can claim. This is the kind of device that shows where smartphones are heading, And honestly, it is exciting to see. If you made it this far, you already know you are into this kind of content. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and like the video so you do not miss out on the next big tech review. I will catch you in the next one.